Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get map view of Google Photos to show everywhere we've been and the photos we took there. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to open up our Google Photos on our mobile phone. Okay, this is my Google Photos, and to get the map view of your Google Photos, make sure you have activated your location on your camera setting. You can go to your camera and then make sure you have activated the location. Okay, you'll be able to activate the location on your camera setting right here. Okay, and the second one, you need to back up your photos to the Google Photos so you will get the map view of Google Photos. Okay, and after you have activated the location and backed up your photo to the Google Photos, you'll be able to get the map view of Google Photos. To get the map view, you can go to the collections right here, and then you can simply click on places. And here you'll be able to see everywhere you've been and the photos you took there. You can view your map. Okay, and this is for my map view of my Google photo. The places we visited will be shown with this color, and you will be able to zoom in or zoom out like this. Okay, and as you can see, I have visited all these places. Okay, and here you will get the list of the photos you took on the place, and you will be able to tap on the place like this, and you will get the photo list right here. Okay, that's very simple, right? And here you can view the places you have visited through the year. Okay, this is so cool guys. You'll be able to see all the places you have visited and also the photos you took there. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get map view of Google Photos to show everywhere we've been and the photos we took there. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.